Hello guys, so in this video please join me in exploring and finding solution on the current issue that I'm having where the server is returning an Angular page instead of a an HTTP status error status. So let's just try to simulate this. So instead of 404, it returns a 200 and the Angular page. So it kinda look like this. So let's inspect element that and go to source or network. Refresh this, and that should be this one here where it's returning an Angular page. So how do we fix kind of an error like that? So okay, so let's open that project. It's in cool Angular here and new window, right? So let's go to this one here and right, so if we remove that, yeah, there's no more. So let's say maybe let's open terminal. Okay, ng generate module or the component, maybe test. Okay, so let's do this test and Control Alt Y to sync your project file. All right, so here okay, so let's say we're gonna put something here, say hello air, I am an anomaly. Is it the correct spelling for anomaly? Anomaly. Okay, so I am an anomaly, and let's use that here. So instead of app routing, we'll put the test here, right? Let's go back here. I am an anomaly, and in our network tab here, if we refresh, we shouldn't see any I am anomaly here. Yeah, see here, we can't have any indicator how to read that. Alright, so let's try here again. Maybe in the HTML here. So let's put a dev maybe here, said I am your anomaly, right? So here, I am your anomaly, and let's reload this, go to that thing. Okay, so there's an I am your anomaly here. Okay, so we can use that. So in here, because it will not detect an error because it's status 200, we cannot deal with it here. So we can check this this data. Okay, so let's console.log the data that we are getting. So if we console.log that, no. So where's the data? Alright, so let's go back here again. Go to get config. So the get config here returns this one. And why is it that we're not getting our result here? It says success. Okay, so why? Let's go back here. Alright, so I guess it's an error. So let's try to see. Oh, it's an error. Okay, so it's still not okay. So yeah, okay, so it's status 200, but if it's still it's still false. So this should be okay. Okay, so I didn't get this should be the error. So even if it's status 200, it's still an error. So we can still handle that here. We are not going to say if error that status. So we're not gonna check the status because the status is 200. We're going to check if it's okay, so like that, and say that status is 200 here. So if its status is 200, see here, it will still fall. It will fall here. Okay. Yeah, I guess we can do that here, and then we're just gonna throw it on an error page. So for example, we're gonna create an error page, generate component silver or no, we're gonna say module system and then routing, and in that it's gonna say component system error. So we're going to create an error page, and in WebStorm you're going to Control Alt Y, and I'm not sure where is that here in the GUI, but yep, see that one here, so that it will refresh your project files. So here we're going to call the error component, and in that error component go here, path system, that is a system, load children, import app system system module, then X, right, and then so why is this doubled? Okay, sorry. Alright, okay, so that, and then it calls this, to call that error, then it will call this. Okay, so let's go back to our where is it, our component here, or no, where is it? Okay, so here in our Silverback. We are going to the I think I don't need. Alright, so we are going to inject private router and router. Right. So, and that router, we are going to call here router that navigate system error, right? So it will fall on this one here. Which one here? You get an error, bro. Alright, so see here, you get an error, bro. Call that again. Okay, that is because it's returning this here, this one, instead of an error page. So if there's no error, for example here, our config, if it's returning correctly, so if it's gonna be this, so there should be no error. Alright, cool. So that's it. I know how to handle that now. Nice. Cool. Thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe.